Cool. Well, here we are again at Sabattus Lake. We're gonna see what we get today. It's like in the teens right now. If you're not familiar with this place, it's mostly pike. Occasionally catch a bass, some crappie, perch, whatever, but mostly pike here. Sometimes you get big ones, and usually it's on the other end, way down there. But my brother lives right over there, so it's convenient, it's close. So we're gonna get some traps in and see what happens here. Yep, it's alright. Did you go to Carter's for this? Where'd you go for this?
Du Bois.
Where's that one?
Past Oakville Cache, almost at South Monmouth Market on the right.
Oh, really?
It's like a shed. He's got fishing tackle, bait. The bait is for fishing.
Oh, that's cool.
Those are the mediums.
Yeah.
They're $9 a dozen. I don't know if that's a lot or not.
Last week I paid $10 for half a dozen large and half a dozen medium. So I went to Carter's.
Where's that?
It's right off of, you know where Sam's on Sabattus Street?
Yeah.
It's back street behind there. Yeah, he's right back there, so it's real close. So,
Landed yet though. It's not turning though?
No.
What's going on with that one?
We're going to fucking hang out with me buddies.
Oh, now it's going that way. Yeah, something's happening.
What height that is. Nope, nothing there.
Nothing there. Yep. Well, just the bait.
Yeah.
Check some traps after a while here. No activity yet, no flags, nothing. So maybe switch up the depth a little bit. Maybe go a little shallower on some, like this one. I'll go a little shallower. And get that in. Off to the next. Keep doing this and hopefully we catch them here. Still nothing. Quite snowy out. It's very beautiful out. Got a seagull friend hanging out in the ice. Yeah, it's a seagull. There was another one. I don't know. He's just hanging out. This is the weather. Can't beat this. This is amazing. Well, that's about it. Really didn't catch anything today. We didn't even have a single flag, but it was definitely still a good time. Snowed like crazy all day. It's still snowing now, as you can see. It's pretty sweet, but it is what it is. Still had fun. No fish, but it is what it is. So till next time, we'll just see where this takes us. Not sure if we'll get any ice fishing in, but hopefully spring comes soon and we can get my canoe back out and get some more river and lake fishing in. But until next time, have a good one.
quality medical flour, concentrates, and more delivered anywhere from Kittery